How rolling motion works. Have you ever wondered why rolling motion requires less force to move object from one place to other? When we apply force to wheel, it easily moves forward with very less force. And in another case, if there is a square block and we apply same force, it doesn't move. So what actually happens with rolling motion? So it moves with very less force forward. So the reason behind is, consider this is a sphere. This is a sphere. Now whole weight of this sphere, the reaction from ground is only through a single point theoretically. Now split this sphere in two halves. Those two sections are in a situation like hanging like situation. Means if we consider a rod and it is fixed at center, then two ends are hanging. Now they have suppose same weight, then this rod will remain horizontal. But if we add some weight at one side, this rod will start rotating this direction. It means it will bend down. Same situation is happening in this sphere. Its half section is hanging this side and its another half section is hanging this side. So whole weight is in hanging situation. Only contact is through point. Now when we add force to sphere, this force gets added as a weight in this direction. So imbalance occurs and sphere starts rotating forward. This is the reason why rolling motion requires very less force to move object from one place to other as compared to the square block, which requires more force.